All right, let's hear from Riley, a junior from Walcott, Connecticut, majoring in marketing. He's gonna tell us about the competitive spirit that drives Nichols students to do their best work together, and the super special project that has kept him busy for the past 10 months. Riley, you're up.
Thanks for the intro, Alex. Well, in high school, I took just about every business class I could, so I knew I wanted to pursue a business-centered education. That's why I chose Nichols College, a top school accredited by the Association to Advance Collegiate Schools of Business, awarded to just 6% of colleges and universities worldwide. Because of my performance in high school, I was placed in the Nichols Honors Program. I'm so grateful to be part of this program because of how far it allows me to take my education. Honors students take 5 extra courses and complete a senior capstone project. It may sound like a lot, but honestly, these classes feel more like a break from my other classwork. The honors courses challenge me academically, and have broadened my understanding of the world and my place in it, giving me an edge as I think about life after Nichols. Another advantage comes directly from my peers. Everyone here is determined to be the best and most successful version of themselves. Being around so many driven people is one of my biggest motivators. You simply cannot outwork a Nichols student, and our team-oriented, competitive spirit runs strong within our community. There are also plenty of opportunities for relevant, hands-on academic experience. I'm part of the Nichols marketing department, where I help promote the college, all while getting paid and earning academic credit. I've actually spent the semester working on this episode of the college tour. I'm so fortunate to have been exposed to the process, since I hope to pursue a career in media production. In fact, I think it's time to flip to the other side of the camera and help continue telling the Nichols College story to the rest of the world. That's a wrap. Back to you, Alex.
Cut. Great job, Riley.
Thanks, Riley. Your insights as a marketing major have been invaluable. You're showing us how Nichols provides every student with resume building opportunities that allow them to follow their passions wherever they may lead. Great job, Riley.